Hello YouTube. And I got a deleted scene from Woody Woodpecker Racing, the first film. Yep. It looks like I accidentally delete this video. I made a mistake for a long minute. Yep. Looks like I having a better time. But here's the opening scene, the deleted scene of Luicus was hired at the Villans Only Race. Chris McLean and Lindsay is hired on the Villans Only Race. How do you say? The Villans Only Race contract. So, yep. Enjoy the scene. Meanwhile, Lucius is bored. I'm so bored, and I got nothing to do. I want to go race car just like Clarence, and he won't let me on a tournament. Now it's just like last time. Yesterday. Okay, we're already in the race. Clarence, there's been a problem. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Wait, to the left. Where's the 9th racer? Let's just say it is a third-party character. Yep. Sorry, I'm late, everybody. Oh my God, Lucius, you ruined everything. Now I have to do it to clear this entire mess. Nobody cares about you, Jawa. See, everybody's all licked up. I never got it. Nobody cares about you, Gene. You're out. You're free from the stupid Clarence Kartz ceremony. Now go away. Don't be so rude, Woodpecker. I hate you. I hate you too. I hate that guy. Now, back in the present date. And that's pretty much what happens. There's number 2 today. Hey, Monsieur Lucius. What is it now? Well, Monsieur, I got good news I have to show you. What is it? We are hired at you are the new racer on the Villans Only Race. Oh, really? We're in the Villans Only Race? Yes. Come on now. That's an order. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Villans Only Race, the new annual. And after the past few years, since we had the beginning of the first year since 1942, since that's it. Let's go to the track. Okay, I had to explain the rules. No peeing, no hitting other people, sleeping, no fighting, no eating, no drinking, no banana chase, no going bananas, no hunting, no bringing fires, no emergency stops. Oh, I said, don't hit the audience, and most importantly, don't crash up our show. Okay, I'm ready to roll. Oh, and that's not all. A prize you could get this, a cake. I ain't got nothing to do. Hey, what is that? Is that a new race? Oh, I love racing. Oh, hi, Woody. You're here to... come sit with me. Oh, why, thank you, Elroy. Gee, this is amazing. Huh? Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, just tell me about it. Okay, whatever. And that is it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this deleted scene clip. Put the comments and subscribe for more. And I'll try to continue to do more regular Woody Woodpecker Racing, the first movie, and Woody Woodpecker Racing 2, Mission to China. Okay, this is Illumination signing off, and bye-bye.